Hi, this is Andrina Woodhams, #1 Amazon best-selling author. Have you ever considered that we aren't our bodies? We wear our bodies. Now, what does that give you? First of all, it makes you think a little bit about your body. But what it does do is it changes your relationship with your body. It becomes a lot better. We think of our bodies as tools or maybe temples, but do we ever consider our body to be a best friend? That's really what it is. It's with us from the morning that we are born until the day we die. All it wants to do is take care of us. If you want to know these and more things about your body and changing your relationship with it, then join me on my spiritual advent calendar. It'll be 24 small videos that I'm giving of massages and movements and meditations to help connect you with your body in a more deep way that is going to change your life. I want to get this out there because it's life-changing for everyone who knows about it. So join me. My website is www.andrinawoodhams.com, and on the 1st of December, you'll be having the videos right in your inbox if you sign up. So we'll see you there.